This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Marilyn Drake. This is an all-brick home with renovations galore. You will love this well-maintained cottage close to downtown Blue Ridge. The owner, in 2015, added new metal roof, new vinyl windows, new electrical and plumbing, new furnace/HVAC, new attic fan, new stainless steel appliances, countertops, and cabinets in the kitchen, renovated bath, new interior painting, gas logs within decorative cabinet and living room for emergency heat if needed, new privacy fence, and railings on the front, new gutters, new LVP in the kitchen, all other floors are hardwood, year-round mountain view, fire pit area, nice backyard for entertaining family and guests, 10 by 20 outbuilding, with shelving and electricity, no POA dues and priced reasonably. Don't wait too long. For more information,